So first for that we going to take a cone. Okay, I'm bringing my cone into my work plane. Then I'll leave there. And now I'm going to change the dimension for my cone by clicking on the square box at the corner. I'm going to select here 60 mm left side, and front side I'm going to choose 60 only, 60 mm. Now I'm going to change this height for this cone to 50 mm. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate this cone to upside down. So for that I have to go at the top. You can see this two-face arrow. You have to click on it. Then you can type here 180 degree, 180, 180. Then it will get rotated to 180 degree now. So what you do now, see the sides are here. I'm going to change the sides to 64 here, so it make my object little smoother. Okay, now I'm going to take a shape which is going to be at the top of the top. Okay, so I'm going to take this half sphere. So I'm taking the half sphere here, and I'm going to change the size of this also. So first I will take this corner edge. Okay, and I'm making this also 60 mm here, and the front also 60 mm. So after that I need to change the height of this one. Selecting this middle white color box, and it will show me the dimensions. Actually it is now 10 mm. I'm going to make it 30 mm for that. Okay, 30. Now what I'll do, I'll hold this black color cone shape. You see the black color cone shape at the top of that. I'm going to hold this one, and I will move upwards 50 mm, because the height of this one is 50, so I'm moving upward 50 mm. You can move, or you can just type here 50. Okay, it will goes up 50. So now I will select this both. Okay, I will select this both, and I will click align. You see there is align button, and I'm going to select this middle black spot, then the left black spot. Okay, now what I will do, I'll select this both, and I will group it. You see the group button, I'm going to group it. Okay, now you can see it will look like this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, you see that the color got changed in single color. So what I will do, I will go inside the solid, and I'm going to select this multicolor option here. Okay, so you can see now my color got back. So next thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this paraboloid. So I'm taking this paraboloid here in my work plane. I'm not going to change the size or anything for this. Okay, I'm just going to change the color. Maybe yellow will be fine. Okay, and here you see that rotate option is there, like a two-face arrow. I'm going to click on it, and again I will type 180 degree, 180. So it will get turned into upside down. Now I will take this one 30 plus 50 means totally 80 degree, 80 mm up I have to take it. So I'm holding this black color cone, and I'm trying to move up, and I will type here 80, 80. Now you can see it will go up. Now I will select this all of them. I'm going to select all of them. Okay, then I will click align. Then I will select this middle black spot and left black spot. Now you can see the paraboloid is at the top of that my cone. So I'll click outside, and now I'll click on this paraboloid and hold this black color cone shape, and I'll go down -15, -15. This is -5, -6, -9, -12, -13, -14, -15. Okay, fine. Now -15 I'm down. I'm going to select this one all, and I'm going to group it. After group, what I will do, I'm going to take this torus. Okay, I'm taking torus and bringing in my work plane here. Okay, so it will make you easy to understand how many we have to take torus. Now what I will do, I'll change the torus as the dimensions. I'm taking here 30 and 30. Okay, 30, 30. Then what I will do, I'll again hold this black color cone shape, and I will move upward 5 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now what I will do, I'll click this do again. I will be going to hold this black color cone shape again, and I'm going to move upward 5 mm, 3 4 5. Okay, now again I'm going to change the dimension of that one, 35 and 35 here. Okay, after that I will be not going to click anywhere. I'm not going to click anywhere, just simply I'll go to this duplicate button. Okay, and I'm going to press there one time, two time, three time, four time, 5, 6 and 7 time. Okay, fine, 7 time is fine. Now you can see it automatic going to make it layer by layer. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold this I'm going to select this only blue color one. Okay, the torus only, all torus, and I'm going to align them. So I'll click align this button, then I'll select this middle black spot, left, then right middle black spot. Now you can see the torus got aligned. Now again I'll select this all torus, like okay, uh, okay, I have selected all the torus. Now again what I will do, I will group the torus. Okay, I'm going to group the torus. Okay, I'm grouping all torus. Now I make them whole. After grouping the torus, I'm going to change them to whole. Okay, now you see that it became whole. Now again I will select all this and align them. Okay, I'm clicking align option, and you can see my align it's not visible. Let me zoom little much. Okay, sure. Here you see that middle black spot, I'm going to click in the middle, then the left middle. Okay, now what I will do, you see that I'm going to select this all. I'm going to select this all, and I'm going to click group. When I do group, you can see what's going to happen here. Here you see that it turned into like that, but actually the downside one torus is there. I'm going you see that I think I missed that while selecting that, so I will undo that. I will go back, 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 and we'll see that why it's not okay. So again I will select this all, and I will make them whole. Okay, now again I'm going to select all and try to that, because previously I missed that one of them, so it was not there. So I'm selecting that again, I'm aligning. Then what I will do, I'll group them again. One second, let me zoom little more so you can see. I'm going to now again I'm going to group them. So we'll see that downside it will be not visible anymore, the blue one. You can see now it's not visible, fine. And you can see we have got our top, or you can say lattu, or spinner, whatever. This toy is ready now. You can see it's very nice. I will send it to in the middle of that work plane, so you can see properly. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll do the next video next week. Thank you.